Hi everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a very exciting video for all you people out there who are always in a rush, like me. I always wait to the last minute to do everything, including my makeup, and so I basically mastered this 5-minute makeup look to get me looking good, feeling confident when I have to run out the door. If you're like me and you also wait to the last minute to put your makeup on to rush out the door, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. It really does help support this channel. But without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. All right, so to hop into this quick 5-minute makeup routine, I always start with my base. I've already applied my skincare, so I'm going to hop right into skin, and I'm starting with a very special product to me. This product has saved me a lot of time. This is the Merit Perfecting Complexion Stick in the shade Silk. So when I'm using this, I like to start applying it underneath my eyes. This is more of the concealer function of this product. So I just take a little bit like that, and then I will kind of spot conceal any areas or apply a little bit of product anywhere I would normally apply foundation. So for me, that is around my nose, a little bit around my mouth. I always get a little bit of redness around here, on my chin, a little bit on my forehead, not too much, and just like a slight bit on the nose, and just any spots that I'm kind of experiencing as well. So then how I blend this out is I just take this little brush from Delium Tools. I've been using this for a very long time. This is like their little angled concealer brush. It kind of looks like a little paw. That's how I like to think of it. But yeah, the name has worn off, so I don't even know what this is. But any brush like this will do. And I just take that and I buff out that cream product that I just laid down. I love this formula because it blends so easily. It is not cakey at all, super buildable, but also a really natural finish. Whenever I wear this, I just am always so impressed with how my skin looks. So this product is a big win for me. I highly recommend this. Also, when I'm blending out my under eye, I do like to take a little bit on my eyelids just to kind of neutralize any of the veins or discoloration that I have on my eyes. I love using versatile products like this. Anything that's 2-in-1 will honestly end up saving you a lot of time, especially when you're in a rush. I also just really love the finish of this product. It applies beautifully. You can build it up to get extra coverage if you want, or you can just sheer it out and it's a really beautiful light layer as well. So the way this product is marketed is that it's not a foundation or a concealer, but it will replace both in your makeup bag. And I just find that so true. This is what it looks like applied. Honestly, it's like the best of both worlds. Okay, so enough rambling. Obviously, this is gonna take me a little more than 5 minutes because I'm walking you through every step. But usually on days that I do this makeup look, it takes me about 5 minutes, sometimes maybe 10 if I'm really taking my time. But this really is my just go-to, tried and true, get out the door makeup look. I'm always in a rush. So the next thing I do is take my Fenty Beauty STALKR bronzer in the shade Into Sun. This is a good bronzer. I love this bronzer. I've been using this clearly for a very long time. So I'm gonna take this Rephr 05 brush and just buff this concealer along the perimeter of my face. Did I say concealer? I meant bronzer. I'm just gonna use a really small amount and a light touch just to kind of warm up my face, define my cheekbones. I just feel like I look so much healthier when I have a little bit of bronzer. I'm also just gonna take a little bit of it on the side of my nose. And then this is kind of my trick for a very quick eyeshadow. I just take a little bit of bronzer on this big fluffy brush and I just take it over my lids and just give my lids a really nice light wash of color. This does all the blending for you. You really can't tell where the eyeshadow starts or ends. And it's super quick, and I just feel like it just looks flattering. I like to kind of tug it up towards my temples a little bit too. All right, and that's pretty much it for eyeshadow. Sometimes if I'm feeling a little extra, I take a little pencil brush and I just take a little bit of that bronzer and dust it along my lower lash line if I want a little bit more definition. Even on days I'm not wearing makeup, I always curl my lashes. I just feel like this makes such a difference. So I'm gonna go in with my Shiseido eyelash curler. This is the best eyelash curler. Like honestly, I've never used an eyelash curler this good. I just go in and give my lashes a little curl. All right, so once I've done that, I move on to mascara. I've been loving this Merit lengthening mascara. For me lately, I've been loving a lengthening mascara that doesn't give me too much crazy volume, honestly, because I feel like you kind of have to work in the volume mascaras to make them look good. But this mascara is just really easy, quick application. All right, so once I've done that, I usually move on into the brows. I've been absolutely loving this Kosas Clear Brow Gel. Look at how cute this packaging is. I love the iridescent finish. I just think it's adorable. But not only is it adorable, it actually works really well. I love the brush. I feel like it's perfect for just kind of getting in there and being really precise with laying your hairs. And it also lasts throughout the day, which I really, really enjoy. This is like the perfect balance between a nourishing brow gel that doesn't have a ton of holds and like the laminating brow gels, because you can apply a little bit like I just did, or you can like slick your hairs down with this. I kind of just fluff up the front end of my brow ever so slightly, and I keep the tail a little bit more defined. So I don't always do this step. If I'm really in a rush, I won't do this, but for now, I will kind of show you how I quickly fill my brows in. I use the Makeup Forever Aqua Resist Brow Definer in the shade 30 Soft Brown. So I mainly just focus on the ends of my brows with this brow pencil, and I just kind of extend the tail of my brow ever so slightly. And I just kind of fill in any sparse areas, not being too precise. This is a great pencil because it gives me really thin hair-like strokes, and it's also waterproof, so it'll also last all day throughout the day. All right, so this next product is key. I feel like I need blush in order to feel put together. I've been loving these cheek colors from Merit. This is in the shade Beverly Hills, but I have a few of their shades and I've been really enjoying all of them. Super easy to apply, a nice sheer finish, easy to blend, and they just look really natural and dewy and fresh, and yeah, I've just been really loving them. So I basically just take the blush and straight from the packaging, apply it to my cheek in a little swoopy motion, usually just like 2 strokes. And same thing here, and a little bit on my nose. And I'm just going in with this angled brush from Royal & Langnickel. This is the Omnia Balm 120 brush, and I love this for blush. I just pounce this on top of the blush and blend it out really quickly. And as you can see, it's a nice sheer wash. Doesn't take too much work to blend out. So to finish off with the skin, I'm going in with this Merit highlighting balm in the shade Cava, and I am realizing that I'm using a lot of Merit products, but I will say, honestly, I have been really enjoying this brand as of lately. I've been reaching for their products every single day. A lot of these products were gifted to me, but I genuinely love them and I love what they're about. They're basically all about minimalism, but in an effective and clean way. So they've been really on my radar, so cheers to you, Merit. So I just take this balm on the tips of my cheekbones, maybe a little bit on the tip of my nose. And to blend that out, I'm going to use a Rephr 04 brush and just kind of pounce that all on top of that, just to kind of blend it out. And I just think this gives the prettiest glow. I've been loving this highlighter. All right, and now for another one of my favorite steps, lips. This is a longtime favorite of mine. This is a NYX Natural Lip Pencil, and this is perfect for fair skin in my opinion. I would almost compare it to the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk liner. It's just a really nice, light, neutral pink, basically the same color as my lips, so that's why I love it. And I like to do a slight overdraw. Honestly, there's nothing like lip liner to make me feel complete. So I mainly just focus that in the centers of my lips. I don't really go too crazy with that. And then I follow up with the NARS Soft Matte Tinted Lip Balm in the shade Intimate. I like this lip balm because I can just kind of dab it all over my lips. It doesn't give me too much color, but it gives me just enough and it doesn't dry out my lips. And to finish off the lip, I'm going to apply my Tower 28 Lip Jelly in the shade Chill. This is the shiniest clear lip gloss ever. I've been wearing this every single day. I have just fallen in love with it. And that is it for my 5-minute makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell notification. It would mean a lot to me and it really helps support my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.